And today you can see the sun is actually going down. And what we're doing today, we are
fitting bigger brakes to Gunther.
Our dirty diesel. Now this is the most overkill mod you can do to an E36 compact 318 TDS. Is fit E46 330 brakes to the front.
We have indeed, aren't we?
Yeah. It's a bit overkill, though.
It is, but we like it.
And it's going to fill the new wheels up rather nicely. We have been fixing the anti-roll bar as well. We have filmed bits of that, but the camera's got an issue. Well, the SD card, we've deleted bits of footage. So when we go into the editing after, we'll see if they're all still there. The problem we're having now is the person who fitted these brakes before, they fitted the back two bolts on rather tightly.
Another one.
I'm scared of rounding the bolts off. Now on the little TDS, the fronts are solid as well as the back. What do you think about only Oogie Boogie guns, Pop?
I think I'm alright for flipping dismantling, but not for sort of putting flipping stuff on.
But luckily we've got a new extension lead and we can cut them off. That's what we're going to do, right, Pop?
Well, I'm hoping to get them off.
But we can cut them off, couldn't we?
We could cut them off, you can put all the new stuff on and over.
So we're not open, but once we've cut one off, Ivy Road, the other one should come
off,
we can jiggle it a bit. But in doing it, we can also route the ABS leads correctly. When you're cutting, you're going to take the carrier away from a caliper. Is that right, Paul?
It is all.
And because you can't really use an Oogie Boogie gun to put these on, them quite loose. Well, not as tight as the other ones.
And also, if you look closely,
you can actually see
the cracks in them.
You can actually see the cracks. We come with good news.
Oh.
The bottom bolt has
we've
succeeded to come off.
Yeah. Dear.
We are going to catch COVID from the.
Flipping that on more. Flipping that.
All we need now is to get
the top one off.
The top one off, and we are one down. Is that right, Bob?
We are one down.
Got one off, bar the caliper. All you do for a caliper is just undo that bolt there, all that fixing. To get the caliper off from the strut, there's two bolts here, and there's two hex-plying things there. It's pretty much off once you've took the Torx out of here. And as you can see, for comparison, this is, as you can see, I hope you can see the cracks there. Oh, you can. Crack, see? Crack. You're going from that to that. Now, but more importantly, vented and solid. So even bigger and then vented. These are going to look absolutely bossy on here. They're going to look so big, I'm as big as the heat shield. Boston. Those are the original ones. Now, we've been told that E46 325 brakes fit on the back, need a good upgrade as well. Again, these are non-vented up the rears. Now I know some of you might be asking, well, why are you bothering fitting big brakes to a 318 TJ? Well, me and Dad like stuff to be right, don't we?
We do.
With the bigger 17-inch wheels, there's a bit of a gap in the brakes, and if you just don't look right, it looks very nibbly, don't it?
It does.
So we thought putting some big brakes on to be more safer, because a car with bigger brakes is always safer. And when we am spiritually driving it about, so because I can move when she wants to, we're gonna have nice brakes to stop us.
We are.
Happy. We're up the carrier for the first time, Pa.
We will. Oh yeah.
Ah, they look great. Yeah. Ooh. New shiny parts, eh, Pa?
It is. And nothing better.
Now, we are thinking in the next 4 months, is that right, Pa? To get some coil overs, and I think, eh,
Oh
Pa?
yeah.
But we'll get when it's nice and hot. And
It does.
yeah, for people that are going all the way, just put new discs on. These are alright. We have got new pads. These have got one pad cycle left, and we'll get some M-Tech ones. Is that right, Pa?
We will. Yeah. We will indeed.
We'll probably get vented or dimpled.
More dimples, or maybe both. Eh?
Yeah. Like we've got on. Eureka. I'm still working the zoom out on this camera. But back to gunfire.
Take caliper off now.
You need something like that, which is basically a ring spanner, right, with a notching.
It is a brake
Yeah.
caliper spanner. And also do it. Now we've done this before we dismantled. Make sure it comes off there.
Have we checked?
Yeah.
We did check.
Well, I did, yeah. Did you?
No.
Nah.
No, I don't.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's come on. Crack! That is what it looks like. Now, if you think of the colour, it is Wilco yellow.
Shape.
Shape, yeah. And over that, there's about 1.5 coats of yellow hammerite, which is also quite cheap.
Yeah.
And that's, it just pop, I think.
It does.
In person, it's more orangey. So the brakes have been bled,
Lead.
and it's the big reveal now, Pop.
It is. To the big reveal.
And all the people standing there going, tagging a fit. I'm going to find it in about 10 seconds.
Oi.
We was told that these will fit over 17, under 17. It's been a long day. Plenty of room, right, Pop?
Oh,
Is it?
it's it. Yeah. Well, not plenty of room, but just enough.
That's close out there.
Fucking this close, yeah. But they do round close, are they?
Yeah, that is close.
Fucking close, yeah. You know, bit of pebble. Look to your the pebble, would you?
You wouldn't, would you?
Not really.
That is close. That is. And this is the next day, and we did get the big brakes fitted from E46 330. As you can see, tight fit. They do look great. So if you like this content, please like, subscribe and comment. We've got plenty more to do on Gunfer, the TDS. So, thanks for watching. Bye bye.